Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we can see about how to install PUBG mobile in your PC. Okay, we can start our video. Okay friends, open your Google Chrome browser in your PC and search for TECENT Gaming PD or TECENT emulator. Now I am searching for TECENT emulator, and in that one the first link you have to select. I give the link on description. Okay friends, I give the link on description. You click that and download it. Okay friends, this is the interface of this website. Okay, in this website many uh, information will be they had given, and you have to click download this button, and in that one it will be downloading. Okay, now it will be downloading. Wait a minute for a download. Okay friends, now the downloads. Okay, now you go to your Google Chrome downloads. Okay, in this downloads your file will be there. Okay, this is the file, and click show in the folder. Okay, in that one folder will be opening. You click this folder. Okay, this is the folder. Now we can open this folder. Now that is opening. Oh wait, that is opening. Okay friends, after opening you click this yes. Okay friends, next we can open this is the interface of this app. Now we can start. Now you click the start button. Okay friends, this is the interface of this one. Okay friends, this is the now it started to open. This is the interface of this TECENT emulator. Now you click gaming center. In that one you click this PUBG mobile. Now for me the 19% PUBG is installed, and after 100% completed you go to my games. In this my games your your, your game is here. You have to click this and open. Okay friends, and you click my games. Okay friends, now you have to log in. Okay, after your login, the PUBG installed, you open and play your PUBG. You can play it on easy. This is the very easy play to open. Okay friends, please subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching our channel.